Classify. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Chordata. Class Abe. What is the class? Abe. And common name? Hen. It is hen, right? What is it? So, how can we say that it belongs to the class Abe?
It has four.
It has fur. Fur is present in mammalia.
Feathers.
Body is covered with feathers. Body is covered with feathers. And four limbs are modified into wings. What are these? Wings. Four limbs are modified. This is the feather. Yes or no? This feather. They haven't taken out this feather. And next one, they contain teeth, leg, beak.
Yes, they don't.
They contain teeth, leg, beak. And they have pneumatic bones. Pneumatic, P-N-E-U-M-A-T-I-C. Pneumatic means hollow. Bones are not filled with bone marrow. But these birds, especially hen, cock, kiwi, ostrich, turkey, they cannot fly long distance. I think kiwi and ostrich, they cannot fly at all. But this bird can fly, but their bone is covered with or filled with bone marrow, right? So today, at first, we will see its brain. What do you see? Brain. So let's cut it, okay? Could you remember the three main parts of our brain? Cerebrum, cerebellum, and brain stem or medulla oblongata, right? This one I will check later on. Here is the ear of this end. And can you notice here something? Here is a hole. Can you see or not? So this is, here are two pipes. How many pipes are here? One is windpipe for air. Another is food pipe. Windpipe and food pipe. Windpipe is for air and food pipe is for food. Right? So the brain is located here. Here is very strong bone. Can you feel it? Does it? Here is very strong bone. Brain is very much delicate and soft, isn't it? It is protected by hard brain. So let me show you. I have cut it, and here is the brain. Can you see? Can you touch it? Do you want to touch? This soft part, it is hard, this is brain. Here is soft part, very soft part. This is the brain, right? What is this? Brain. So, right side, right cerebroid hemisphere, left side, left cerebral hemisphere. Right side and left side. Any problem? So, very soft. This is very, very soft. Eh? Now let me cut. No? So, here let's see. See this. Is the brain very soft and delicate or not?
Yes.
Yes? How is the brain made up of? How is the brain made up of? The brain is made up of nerve tissue. Nerve tissue. Let me take out this brain and just observe it. See, brain itself is very soft, but it all controls all the organs of our body. Yes or no? A very soft part is located inside it, but here we have to remember the brain of birds contains less folds, that's why it has got less memory. And our brain contains more folds, so there are more memory. Okay, this is the thing. So I think this here we have to provide to those covers, right? Okay. You want to see the eye also? What type of eye is present in birds? Simple eye or compound eye? What do you think? Simple eye. So how many simple eyes do they have? Two. So see, this is the simple eye of simple eye of air. Simple eye means there is presence of one lens. Presence of one lens, and there is fluid inside it. So let me cut this and take out the fluid. Or some of you can bring water so that I can wash my hand. Bring water. Lens. You know how many types of lenses are there? How many types of lenses are there? Two types of lenses. What are they? Convex lens and concave lens. Concave lens and convex lens. See? They are very smart. Go there. So, then afterwards you chase them, eh? Okay? They are waiting. When will their turn come? Let me change into small pieces and provide them. Okay, now they became happy. We are also happy. Who has gone to bring water?
Uzana.
No, water is not working on. Now please, they may take everything and just go. There was a story of Sinbad. Did you read the story of Sinbad? Sinbad. Yeah. One voyager was there, one person who used to go for visit one place to another. Once what happened? His ship was wrecked. Wrecked means damaged, and he reached in such place there was nobody. And later on he found it was the place of Nagmodis. He collected all Nagmodis and he tied all those Nagmodis, and then one board. It helped him to move from one place to another. There is one story, please read. Now let's see the internal part. Are you ready? So what is this? It's the chest of this chicken, right? And what, or breast also we can call it. What is this? This is breast meat is very tasty. I don't know which one asked to the veg people. And this is the leg piece, and I think tandoori. Tandoori is very tasty. Now here is lovely muscle, right? Now I'm going to show you the breast muscle, cartilage, and bone, right? Will you pour water here? Pour water. I think time is running. What's the time now? Check. Sorry? How many minutes left? 25 minutes left? Okay. So look at here, eh? Okay. Now this is the breast of chicken. I'm just going to take out the muscle. I think it has got more muscle, see? Very thick also. They have brought a bit bigger chicken. See, this is voluntary muscle. What is this?
Voluntary muscle.
Right?
Very tasty.
It is very tasty one, right? This is voluntary. Do you want to feel it? Just check it, right? Voluntary muscle. Now this side also let me cut. Okay. What is this? Voluntary, right? Okay, so now look at here. But one thing, whether it is tasty or not, it depends upon how they cook. Yes or no? This is muscle. What is this?
Muscle.
Can you see here white part?
Yes.
What is this? What is this? Why is this white part? This is muscle. Cartilage, right? Kurkure hadi, see? It is a bit. Muscle. What is this? Cartilage, right? Oh, something is cut here. Please listen. Don't talk. Don't talk. I'm just. Okay, can you see here white thing? This one? This is called fat. Adipose tissue. It lies just below the skin. Adipose tissue, muscular tissue. Can you see a red thing? A bit harder one? Yeah? What is this? Bone. Here is bone. So cartilage was connected with bone, right? The bone is here, and here is red thing, right? That is red bone marrow. What is it?
Red bone marrow.
What does red bone marrow do? It helps in producing RBC, red blood
Cells.
What is white part? White part, this one? Cartilage. WBC. Okay. So I'm just taking out again the next part. What is white thing? Cartilage, that's right. Cartilage and little bit bone, right? So let me cut this part and show you what is this. This is rib. What is this? Do you have ribs or not?
Yes.
Korang. How many ribs do you have? Do you know? How many ribs are there in our body? There are altogether 24 ribs. 12 pairs of ribs. But in birds there are no 12 pairs of ribs, right? Okay, now I'm going to show you. Okay. Now this hard part I have taken out. Here is fat. What is this? Fat. Okay, let's see its alimentary canal, its liver. Oh, it has got more fat, right? Can you see this white portion? This is called adipose tissue. What do you call it? Adipose tissue. Bosu, right, that is Bosu or this bone is very hard. See? You can feel this one. Take it. This bone lies at the center of the chest. Children, now okay, some girls will stand up and see this one. What is this? What is this? Do you know? Liver. What is this? Liver. Kidney also later on. What is this? This is alimentary canal. This is called gallbladder. What is this? Gallbladder. I'll show you its kidney also. Okay. I'm just taking out these things. Okay. This is intestine. What is this? See. I will just see how long it is also. Hey. Okay. See, it is coil. Here is jelly also. DNA lies inside the cell. How are you talking about DNA? Here is kidney. What is this? Just I'll show you the boys also. Here is heart. What is this? Okay, what is this? Heart is here.
So why did that black?
No, I will just call you and say. So first let me show these girls. This what is this? The heart. And what is this? Livers. These are livers. This is gallbladder. And this is called gut. What is it called? And it is the main part which digests the food. And this is kidney. One kidney is present, right? Only one kidney. And this one. This small one is small intestine.
What is that? The word?
This cover one. This is fat. The which one? This one. This is the jelly. It covers these things. See? Like this, right? Okay. Boy, you come and see here. Okay, boy, you ask me question now.
Where is that?
This is heart. What is this? This. Yeah. This heart is connected with one membrane. See here. This membrane is called. Go a bit that side, Baba. And as you can observe, why do we need a stick? Wait. This membrane, this outside membrane is called pericardium.
Pericardium.
What is it called?
Pericardium.
In between the heart and pericardium, there is one liquid or fluid that is called pericardial fluid. Touch it. How is it? Isn't it? Isn't it very slippery type?
Yeah, yes.
That means is there more friction or less friction?
More.
Less friction. There is less friction because it decreases this one, right? Okay. Now this is alimentary canal. Now we'll take it out, right? This is intestine. Okay, let's take
Green one.
green one. This green is called gallbladder. So let's take out gallbladder, okay?
Diamond.
Which one? This is not kidney. Kidney is here. This is kidney. Let's take out his kidney, okay? Kidney shape is like bean. Rajma. Rajma sai? Okay. Children, now let me take out this liver, okay? What am I going to take out? From this side, come here. Liver. Why is the liver such a little bit red in color?
Because it contains.
It contains blood means all dead RBC, they are stored here. Dead RBC are stored here. It is rich in iron. Oh, Dian, come here.
Iron.
Yes, he is sitting here as if he is the Prime Minister of Nepal. Leave that chair also, no boy. Okay, what is this?
Liver.
Take this one. Observe this, yes. But don't eat raw. Sometimes they may eat raw also. So or give and it's a prasad they say, not like them. Prasad. Sir. Yeah, please. Long so we'll see. Hello. We have to be very careful, otherwise skin will alive now. It is already there, then how is skin will alive? Tell me. What is this? This is also? Okay, hello, listen. This is also liver. Liver, but here Tandrang Tudung is coming. Let's catch it.
Yes, it can.
Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
This is gallbladder.
Gallbladder.
What is this?
Gallbladder.
Gallbladder. This hold this one.
Hold that one. Peace out.
Give it to that one. Hey, that one. What's it? Okay, hello. Now let's see. How long is this elementary candle? Have you cleaned the elementary candle of goat or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Or buffalo?
Yes.
Buffalo is very long or very big one?
Yes.
Big also, yeah.
Yes, it is.
But they don't throw all the items.
Yes.
Inner only they throw and then outer one they eat.
Yes.
But they say actually these three things are not hygienic.
Yes.
Number one is skin. Number two is elementary candle. And number three, throw this, I need to take it.
Take.
And number three is this blood. People they eat blood also, no? There is also harmful. See, what is this?
Elementary candle.
Yeah, see, this is small intestine. What is this?
Small
Small intestine. And what is this? Large intestine. This is 40. See here. Oh, what is this? Some other things are there. I think it may be Barbie from appendix. What is this? Hello? This is appendix.
Appendix.
Appendix of chicken, eh?
Acharya.
What happened? Already, oh, is it?
Yes, sir.
Then what to do? Oi!
Chi.
Take it.
No, that one tight, no tight from. Let me.
Give it to them. Hey, give it to them. Give them. Oh, it became a belong. Cut it. Hey, good girl.
Beyond.
Okay. Hey. We talking. Wait, this one. See ya. Wait, hold this now.
Tight, no that.
Okay, catch this one. Get down. Wait. Let me show you. Wait. No, don't.
We have to use that.
Catch it again. Yeah, this is what is it called? This is called pangra.
Yes.
Pangra or goat. This is the main digestive organ of
Very tasty.
very tasty. But what is
Yes.
inside? Let's check once. Look.
Sir, cut.
I'll cut. I'm just taking out all these things. Now they are very happy. They don't want to know. Okay, look at here. Eh?
Yes. Cut.
Everything at once. See here. When we caught this one,
Sopan.
isn't it?
Sopan.
There is one.
Look at here. Whatever it has eaten, it is here. This is the main eating part of. Later you have to clean, eh?
Behind those.
Probably.
Yes, I know that one out.
पसिना पुर्नु नि ला
Take one there. There is one there. Pull out.
यो हात
Clean, clean it. He'll clean. He'll keep what.
Oh, you two fighting.
Okay. Oh, we have to clean this one, huh? Niradan, will you clean and bring?
Bring water.
Clean, bas. Now here is the log. This heart. Here is heart. Now let me take out the heart. Eh?
Nirajan, bring full bottle. Water.
You can see here those arteries and veins. See? Blood has already coagulated. What is this? This is coagulated blood. Coagulated means blood has solidified. See? Take this one. Okay, let me take it out this. Okay. This is also coagulated blood. See? Give it to your friends and ask them to check. Rajesh bhai? This membrane is called pericardium. What do you call it? Pericardium. And what type of muscle is here?
Yeah.
Cardiac muscle. See? Oh, this blood came already here.
I wouldn't do that.
Here are the chambers. Where is that cutting item?
Washing with soap or what? Vijan. Oh, Vijan.
Bigya.
It contains more blood.
Gad.
Fat. No?
Sabun
It is a bit fatty.
Live boy.
Okay, what you want to see, just see now. Eh? See, you can cut slowly. Like you can separate this also.
Nirajan.
Okay. Here you have a hard bone. Oh, you cannot be. So wait,
Seven,
remove
1
your
second.
hand. Wait, remove your hand. Cut or not?
Yes, sir. Little bit.
So here is bone. What is here?
Bone.
And here is joint also.
Yes, sir.
Hard bone is here.
Yeah.
You can cut. Slowly. Hey, what happened?
Full power. Yes.
Here is also bone marrow.
Yes.
What is here?
Bone marrow.
See, hey. Listen.
Where is
No, don't talk. Cut.
He's beating from backside.
Don't do it. You should not joke, right? Oh, here is the joint.
Yes, sir. Maths.
So see, can you see here? This is also kurkure hardly. Cartilage. Here also cartilage. See? So, actually, kurkure hardly or cartilage is present in different part. Slowly. No. Do slowly and. Hey, why are you beating that? Jungi, go that side. Go there. Go that side, near to girl side.
Wall side.
Yes.
Nice one.
You are beating, that's why. Okay.
Sir,
This egg, sir, egg.
I think these must be the eggs, right?
Yes, the small one is egg.
Egg.
This all are egg.
Pasina.
Actually, here is elementary candle, so difficult to coordinate, right? Okay, now this one give it to Sira sister. She will do it, right? Please, let's go. Okay.
Done, sir.
Thank you. Just
This
complete.
one is
Huh? That is all.
that is all.
Yeah, that is all. Let's go.
Sir, does fish have this one? They produce
Next time we will do experiment of fish. Yes.